Hi everyone, welcome to Euron. My name is Anshu Kumar, and guys, today I'm just going to do a very lightweighted announcement. Not like I'll try to bring more and more announcement for all of you, but yeah. So I just wanted to share something with all of you. So we have prepared courses, as you can see. If I'm going to click on View All, so we have prepared a courses for a big data, again inside a big data, so multiple big data courses, again for data science. So whether it's machine learning, deep learning, it's stats, NLP, agentic AI, RAG, ML ops, everything. So Power BI, Tableau, Python in Hindi, Python in English, system design, again Python with a DSA in Hindi and in English. So now we are trying to bring basically a hybrid based courses, and you will be able to find out the launch date. And for each and every courses, I'm going to create a detailed video, plus I'm going to create a detailed roadmap as well, so that it is not going to give you a pain to go through any of these courses. But yeah, like I said in the beginning itself, that this is just a light mode kind of an announcement. So where I just wanted to tell you that we have launched 20 plus courses. Every courses will be available in a hybrid mode. So where on a schedule, in a schedule manner, right? So in a schedule manner every week. So we are going to release 1 or 2 module. Now who is taking care of these courses? So personally, me and only me is going to take care of these courses. No other mentor will be involved. And yeah, so going forward, I'm planning to bring more and more courses with respect to our project, even with respect to different technology. So whatever technology that is left, so for example, ops or maybe like cloud or front end or back end, whatever it is, right? Whatever it is, or maybe any other programming language. So with that, we'll try to bring more and more courses. But so here, so this is just an announcement, and yeah, so you can go, you can try to check out. All of these courses are available just with one student, one subscription, Euron Plus. You are not supposed to pay anything extra. And not only that, so you will be able to get all the other features as well. So you will be able to get Yuri, Resume AI, Job, Avni, everything, right? Again, inside Yuri, so we are not just giving you a chat, we are giving you complete APIs as well, so that you will be able to integrate with the programming, because this is the need of the hour, right? So without that, you will not be able to learn a data science. So many new things we have launched, guys, for all of you. And from tomorrow onwards, you will start getting an announcement. You will start getting a roadmap for each and every courses in a step-by-step manner. Plus, from Monday onwards, so you will start getting even course videos. So as per the schedule that we have defined for each and every courses. So hope, guys, all of you are going to like it. All of you are going to love it. And so let's try to learn as much as possible. I don't want any one of you to face any kind of a hurdle, any kind of a bottleneck with respect to a learning, with respect to the experimentation, with respect to building something. Plus with every courses, so we are giving you a dedicated WhatsApp group. Even I will be the part of that group. My team will be the part of that group. And at any point of a time, if you're going to face any kind of issues, so we as a community, right, because your batchmates will be a part of that group. So we as a community, we are going to help you out in each and everything, and we are going to resolve your doubt. We are going to resolve your query. So hope all of you are going to like it. All of you are going to love it. And we are trying to bring a real OTT of an education, right? So subscription, that's completely fine. Course wise, again, so the way Netflix uses to launch a series, so we are launching a series in the similar manner. Apart from that, so whether it's a Yuri, which is one of the amazing system, Resume AI, job system, everything we are trying to build for all of you, and that too just with a single subscription plan, which you can cancel at any point of a time. So fine, guys, with that, thank you so much. And if you have any kind of advice, so please try to bring your advice to me. And yeah, so we have app as well. So you will be able to find out our app on App Store and a Google Play Store. So please go and download that app, and you will be able to enjoy each and everything even inside the app. With that, thank you so much, everyone. See you again in my next video.